Hey everybody, quick video. Just want to kind of go through something really quick with you. Obviously, today, if you don't remember, today is the day for the unit test to be completed, along with Google Classroom 40, 41, 42, and 43. So basically the numbers that you guys need to focus on today are pretty simple. I'm just going to do this for you. All right, Google Classroom 31, that was our open note text, study guide, whatever you want to call it. And it's graded as a test grade. So any of it can be done and just hit submit. That would be fantastic. Again, that's Google Classroom 31. If you want, I can show you real quick. You're probably gonna have to scroll down a little bit to find it. All right, it should be right here. All right, once you click on it, obviously, all I care about, honestly, is you just trying your best. So we've already read this together, but as you scroll down, you're gonna see, the certain questions. I've gone over this with you guys as a class before. All right, just try your best. Anytime there's a blue link, use it. Read the directions. Again, so simple. This stuff is so simple, and I hate to see it when it's a completely missing thing. You got a timeline here. You give me one sentence significance. All right, in the contributions, I want at least two things because it's contributions, not just contribution. All right, it's plural. And then after that, you're just doing the quick little readings and answering the questions as they pop up. That's it, guys. I mean, again, I can't stress this enough. If you try your best and you just try to answer as many questions as you can, and then you hit turn in or return to me, I can give you a grade. It's so much easier when you do it like that. Okay, so that's it for Google Classroom 31. Now, why am I doing this video? Well, I'm just doing this because I want to show you what you could possibly do for your unit test. So your unit test is Google Classroom 44. All right, when you click on it, obviously, you have two different options. You can do this on your phone, mobile link, or you can do this on the Chromebook, web link, or iPad, web link, whatever computer you're using, web link, okay? I prefer web link. I want to show you the 4 different things that I put underneath that could be reading materials to help you out, okay? So obviously, every time you have a PDF, here's the quick little rule. All right, so here's the PDF here. All right, I'm actually going to bring this down. Hold on. So this is like its own new thing. So just let's pretend that we're only on Google Classroom right now. All right, so 44, all right, Google Classroom, Gilded Age unit test. Let's say I click on the first thing that's a reading material. All right, it's about reconstruction. Remember, there are some reconstruction questions in this test. All you got to do is look for the little 3 dots here, all right, the ellipses that are kind of like upside down, more actions. Click on the more actions, open a new window. All right, once you open a new window, it's going to stay here in the open new window, so you can do any reading on reconstruction if you need to, just to kind of refer back to it. And then once you go back to the original tab that you're on, hit the little back button or close out button, all right? And then you should be able to do the same thing, okay? So let's do it one more time with the other PDF, all right, which is the Gilded Age reading, all right? The more actions button over here, open a new window, all right? So now I've got 2 different readings here that can help me out, all right? And then I'm going to click back on my original tab, and I'm going to go back. Okay. The other things are Google Docs. Those are simple. Once you click on them, they open up in their new tab anyway. All right. So you have a Gilded Age unit guide. This is Google Classroom 31, what I just clicked on. All right. This is the same thing. So it's just reading here. You can use any of the blue links that are in here to help you out. So like if you forget about Transcontinental Railroad, you can click on it. It takes you to history.com. All right. And then the last thing that is a Google Doc that you can use is Google Classroom 40, which essentially is due tonight as well. Before midnight tonight. All right, a couple open-endeds. Just put down 2 sentences in the open-endeds. And then if you're answering any of the multiple choice questions, all you have to do is just take what you think the answer is and then highlight it any color you want. Okay, it doesn't matter. But here's the reading. All right, we did the reading together in class. So it's easy that way. Now, if I go back, so let's think about it. If I go back and I want to start the test, okay, so I try to start the test, I click on it. I'm using my Cumberland Regional account, so my crhsd.org. I'm going to allow quizzes to have access to that with Google Classroom. And when I hit start, the questions will come up. If for some reason I have to exit out, all right, just go back to Google Classroom 44, click on what you clicked on before, do the same kind of process, and then it should be right there and then from where you left off, okay? If it isn't, it's going to be on quizzes in the recent activities. Should be one of these things over here. All right, I can't technically do it because I'm not a student in my own class. Okay. If I get stumped on a question, click on one of these tabs. You have readings that can help you. All right, that's kind of the point. All right, again, quick video. Didn't want to go into too much detail. If you have any questions about what you need to do before tonight, all right, obviously just look at this. All right, again, 31, any of it, hit return, okay, for resubmit so that I can put a grade in for you. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Sounds like a lot, but I've had these things on there for the past, feels like a week. So get it done, all right? Any questions, let me know. I'm here to help you. That's the point. Okay, guys, have a great day.